Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Damien, and Damien had a procedure here at Natural Transplants 1 year ago, and he's here today just to sort of tell us about his experience and show us his results. And you can see on the left side of the screen here, we're going to put his before pictures so you can really see where he came from. And he's thrilled, as am I, about the results and the change and improvement in his initial appearance, profile, confidence, everything. So, Damien, tell us in your own words what you think of your result, and has anyone been saying anything about it?
I'm really impressed by the results. It really looks good. I'm happy with how it filled in up front. I was really thinning up front quite a bit and on the crown, and it turned out really, really nice. I'm real happy with it.
Awesome. Has anybody noticed or said anything? Or?
Oh yeah, there's quite a few people that have noticed. Some people have asked me who I went to.
Right.
I said, hey, Doctor, he's the guy I've been to. He's done a good job.
Awesome. And we were kind of talking about, at one surgery, you're getting that 30 to 40%. If he ever wanted to double up on that, he could. And we could even take out his initial original scar, and he would still be left with one linear scar in the back rather than two, since he likes to wear his hair down. Let's show off your hair a little bit, man. Maybe you could just do a chin down and maybe hold it there for about 10 seconds. And you can see there, look at the befores and afters. His crown is also, we were able to get some grafts not only in the front but in the crown as well. Let's see it from the side profile, either way, either side. Just hold it there. Look at the difference there in terms of that shelf of hair coming out as opposed to his original pictures. And then let's see the other side, same way. Oh man, what a difference. Holy smokes. And then, dude, I'm so happy for you, man. I couldn't be more happier for you. And I'm thrilled, and it's awesome, man. And it's permanent hair, which is one less thing to worry about now. So awesome.
Everybody there's been great. You got a real bang-up crew over there, man. They do a really great job.
I'm lucky to have them. Thanks again, Damien, for showing off your hair, and let us know if we can help you out with some more. Okay?
Okay.
You got
Thanks,
it. Take care. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.